What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the first Boxycharm of the year, so January's obviously. I don't know if it's because I was used to the Boxylux last month, but this one seems smaller. Not that it matters. I mean, I feel like they do change up the box size sometimes. So the pamphlet this, I almost said year, month, is this adorable pastel-y one, Boxy and Chill. And then on the back it has all the products. So the first thing I'm grabbing right now is from Bite Beauty. It's a lipstick. I saw the variations. I think it was Bite Beauty, Smith & Company, and then, or Smith & Colt, and Ofra. And I was really hoping for Ofra, just because I've probably said this many times, but I don't use normal lipsticks really. But this one is the color Gin Fizz, which looks like a very, wow, it looks very bright in the viewfinder. It looks like a Barbie pink, but in person it does look a lot, it looks a lot lighter. Not necessarily neutral, but just a lighter pink. I'm not going to swatch it just because I'd like to either put it in my giveaway pile or give it to someone who will use it. The next thing in the box is from Briogeo. It is Don't Despair Repair. It's a strength and moisture leave-in mask. So I'm assuming you would spray this in your hair after you get out of the shower. I do like their products. It smells good. I do like their products, but my only complaint is I know this is a repeat for some people, or there's another one, something milk, that they're doing too. I liked Boxy because I feel like they were switching it up a lot, but now I feel like recently that they're kind of like they keep putting the same brands in there, or something that's very much like what we got before. Hopefully that was just this month. The next thing in here is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And like I said, I didn't look at my videos, but I swear we've gotten one of these before, right? Haven't we? I should look at my makeup stash because that would tell me. Here is the packaging, which is really cute. And here is the inside. It's a very neutral palette. I think they're all shimmers except for this one here. It looks like a matte. Oh, there you go. It's a little better. It is very pretty. But like I said, I swear we've gotten a palette like this from Boxy before, and it was also a neutral, so it's a semi-duplicate for me. So this month, I have two products to give to someone else. Sorry, there's no swatches. The next thing in here is an eyeliner. Let's see, it's from Starlooks. It says Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. It says gem, but it kind of looks like it might be a black liner, which I'd be really freaking bummed out for, because like I said, the repeats, like how many black liners does one subscription box subscriber need? Yeah, because usually I feel like a lot of eyeliners have like the indication right here as to what color it is. You know what I mean? Like a little cap there. No way. It is not a black liner. Huh. I don't know why I'm so shocked. I was just saying that I wish they would... Oh. I just rubbed it there a few times and that's all that it showed up. Oh, there we go. I feel like I've rubbed it a lot though, but it's a very pretty color. I was just saying how I wish they would put in some colored eyeliner, pencil eyeliners, because so many of us have so many black ones that we definitely don't need any more black eyeliners. So I am actually pretty pleased with that. It's just, I don't know if, like, I'm having to press pretty hard, and I mean, when you're doing like your waterline, you don't really press hard, so hopefully that reacts better, but there is the color. It's really pretty. I really like that color. And then this is the last thing. Yes, the last thing in here is actually 2 Tatcha luminous dewy skin masks. I'm pretty excited to see Tatcha in this, in Boxycharm, because as we all know, Tatcha is freaking pricey, so I actually don't really buy anything of theirs on my own because of the price that it is. So I'm actually pretty excited to be able to try that out. You know, it'd be really cool is if they kind of put Tatcha products in the Boxy Luxe, since it's a higher price point. That would be pretty cool if they added that into one of our boxes sometime. That'd be sweet. I'm gonna go over the price real quick. Does it say the total? It does not. So the Briogeo was $16. The Tarte palette, that one's limited edition. That is $36. The Starlooks eye pencil was $19. The Tatcha masks says 24, so I'm assuming that means they're 12 each. So like I said, that's a slightly expensive face mask. And then the Bite lipstick was $26, so that comes out to $121. There are codes right here, these two. There's a code here for Tatcha, and there's a code right here for Bite. Hopefully you can see that, or pause it and see it. Being subscribed to these boxes, I am going to be disappointed in some of the things, and it's like, I feel like most of them will come out with neutral color palettes because that's what most people get most of their use out of. But like I said, I don't mind because it gives me a chance to put into my giveaway pile and give back to you guys. So I don't know if that's cheap, but like I'm a stay-at-home mom, y'all, and you know, putting things like this into my giveaway helps a lot. And I think I did decide when I hit 1,000 subscribers is when I'll do the giveaway. I do have enough to do 2 giveaways. I said this before, so I don't know if I should do 2 giveaways or just one big one. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. But that's it. If you could hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next month for Boxy. Bye!